Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Madison. I do lifestyle vlogs and health and wellness on this channel. And today I am decluttering my closet. Now, you guys probably saw me decluttering my room a little bit. This is going to be a process. I can't do this within a day. I mean, this is a whole lifestyle change, minimizing things in your room. I've been watching a lot of videos on how to try to be more minimalist. I am not a minimalist at all. As you guys have probably seen in my videos, I got a lot of crap. I have too much crap. My room is kind of cluttery. I have too much stuff going on. I've accumulated too much stuff. That I'm not a minimalist, but I'm trying to minimize. If you guys have seen like my makeup decluttering, I just want to use what I need, and honestly, I still just have too much makeup. But I'm trying. It's a process. So I kind of want to do like a series of like minimizing with Madyson or something. I still get very overwhelmed and I don't know what to do with certain things. I need to be in the right mindset. That's why I've been trying to watch more videos on how I can, you know, calm my mind down a little bit and just focus on like what's in front of me and what actually I need and what I don't. Because when I'm not in that mindset, I'm like, oh, I might wear this sweater. It still has tags on it and I bought it 2 years ago, but I might wear this. What if I get invited to a Christmas party? Like, those are the things that go through my head. So today I am minimizing and going through things in my closet and my dressers. I have 2 dressers, if that tells you anything. I have a lot of clothes. So the things that I'm thinking about while I go through my closet, have I worn these within the last year? So number 2, you have to think about your lifestyle. So, are you a sporty person? Do you dress up? I have a lot of dress up clothes. I don't dress up. I don't have a job where I have to wear office clothes or look formal. I don't. I wear comfortable clothes most of the time, and I wear the same clothes most of the time. You also have to think about where you live. Does your climate always stay the same, or does it change with each season? Mine changes with each season, so I need stuff for winter, fall, spring, and summer. And I want to try to think about things that I can wear in between, but most of the time I wear the same thing even throughout all 4 seasons. Like, I do want to make sure I have a jacket and sweaters and stuff like that, but I don't need 10 sweaters. I have so many sweaters. I'm also trying to detach from certain items that have sentimental value. That's gonna be a hard one because I'm so sentimental when it comes to things. And then the biggest thing for me is I've gained weight. There's things that don't fit me. Now, a lot of people are like, oh, you can use this as motivation, and that's true. But the things that I have that don't fit me, it doesn't motivate me as much to like wear them, like, because I guess I don't love them as much. I don't really care that much. And I also have this mindset, which is not great to have when you're trying to minimize, but if I need that thing again, I can go buy it. But you also don't want to get rid of things that you're not sure if you will ever, you know, be able to find again, or you're not sure if you want to get rid of. So trying to keep that in mind. And then I'm going to try to sell some things that have tags on them and stuff like that. And then the rest of it, I'm just going to donate because I just want it out of my life. I want to free up space. If you didn't know, things hold energy. So I just want to get rid of things and feel good about myself. It's a process, but that being said, I'm going to start cleaning. As you guys can see, I have a lot of items that are mesh. Those were like my party days and concerts and wannabe club days. I have so many outfits that I thought I was gonna wear like when I turned 21 and went to the clubs. There's no clubs around here. There's like clubs like an hour away, but there's a few events that we were supposed to go to, and we never did, so I just bought ridiculous outfits. And I have a lot of like plain black dresses, so I need to go through some of those. I just have things I've worn like once and probably never wear again, or things I've never worn at all. So like sometimes I'm just like really obsessive about things, and instead of just getting one, I get like a bunch of them. Last year I was super obsessed with Victoria's Secret's seamless workout pants that like shape your butt and everything. And then Michael got me like 3 pairs. So now I have like 5 pairs of them, and I don't actually like enjoy wearing them to like lounge around in. They're good for workout, but like they're just not good to wear all day because the seams like dig into your skin, and I hate that. All of my favorite like capri workout pants from Victoria's Secret have holes in them, and I'm like riding it out, but they're my favorite. So I'm like, damn, why can't it be like the old ones I don't like? There's some outfits where I'm like, oh, if I lost a little bit of weight. Like I never wore this outfit. It's a 2-piece. So cute, but I just feel like, I don't know. It'd be really cute on someone really petite, but I don't know. I don't know if I should keep that. Then I just have super old sweater. When I say things hold energy, it really does, because there is certain items I have worn that remind me of things that like I've moved past, and I don't like, I feel like that item is holding, I don't know, I feel like certain clothing items hold memories, because there's certain items I'm like, oh, I wore that there, or I wore that when I was hanging out with this person. So I just feel like now that I've moved past it, I need to like get rid of the item too, because like that's what I remember, you know? Does that make sense? But that's what I mean when I say that things hold energy, because they do. So if it's a good one, it's hard to get rid of, right? But I don't know, some of these are just like, I wore this for Valentine's Day and I don't even know if I want it anymore. It's like off the shoulder pink sweater. It's kind of, I don't really like off the shoulder stuff. It bothers me how they never stay on. Try to tackle a little bit tonight and then probably continue this tomorrow. I had a lot of stuff to do today, so that's why it's like dark. Adorable, right? Never wore them, ever.
Walking.
Exactly why I don't get anything done. So many clothes. I just started pulling stuff out of my drawers to get it out. There's layers to this. I'm getting rid of a lot of things, and then there's some things where I'm like, maybe, but it's a mindset and it's hard. I have like a few maybes here. This whole area is to go. There's stuff on the floor. I'm just, oh my gosh. There's a whole pile of clothes on this chair. I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff. I really have. Obviously you can see the piles, but I feel like there's still just so much. and I'm trying to reorganize my drawers, and I don't know how to do that. Like, I'm trying to do jeans and jean shorts, and honestly a lot of my jeans don't really fit me right now, but like I don't want to get rid of them because like literally they're brand new. But I have this drawer right here, and look, I folded it. It looks really nice. This drawer used to be filled with all of my workout stuff. These aren't the cleanest, but I like how they're see-through, so I know what's in them. So how I used to organize, which I'd like to like get all of the same hanger, but I feel like that's really wasteful, so I'm not going to do that and throw these away. So usually these are not organized, and I still need to go through some stuff, but I usually try to do like same category type. I like sweaters to be together but have color code a little bit, like, you know, pinks and the same. I don't like to do just all colors because if I'm looking for a t-shirt, I want to go to the t-shirt section. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm gonna hang up some of the sweatshirts I have because I always forget when they're in drawers. So I'm just gonna do that and try to go through some more sweaters and stuff. Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since I've updated you on decluttering my closet. It's been a really long process because I have procrastinated, but this stuff has been sitting in my room for a really long time. I have a huge pile of clothes right here, so you guys can see. I will zoom in. I'll get down closer. I have this whole chair piled of clothes, like piled. And I have more right here on the floor. And then I have this pile over here. I got a lot of stuff. I'm obviously not going to show you guys like a before and after my closet because honestly it doesn't really look a lot different, but I know it looks different because like a lot of stuff is gone through. Like I feel like I have like no sweaters now. Sorry about my bra and stuff in the background. There's still a few things I haven't decided on. I'm like, do I want to get rid of this? Do I want to keep it? For the most part, I have gotten rid of a lot of things, and I've been better at deciding instead of like, I'm always like, Mom, what do you think about this? Should I get rid of it? But like I said, I'm not some guru minimalist person. Like, that's not who I am. I'm actually quite the opposite. I've always kind of been the opposite. I get it honest. My grandmas, both my grandmas are like that. They hold on to stuff, and I put a lot of emotion into some things. Yeah, so for the most part I have gotten rid of a lot of things, especially things with like tags on it, like this cute little skirt. So cute, right? I'm like, maybe I should keep it, but I'm not going to. I do have like a pile that I'm donating. There's still some things, like I said, that I need to add to it. Finally got rid of some boots. Like these boots, so cute, right? Knee high. Or one time to a party it was muddy out, and I actually started running in them because I was underage. That's a whole different story. Anyways, I may add some b-roll to this. For the most part, this is the end of the video. If you guys want to see like an organization, that's a whole different other video. Like I said, like the totes in my closet aren't the best. Like they're not the most aesthetically pleasing for me, but I like how clear they are, even though it's real messy in my head because I don't like seeing all the clutter. But if it's not clear, then I'm gonna forget what's in what tote. And it's easy to get down and open it up. I did it today. I opened it up, I was like, I need my Ancells. So for the most part, it's pretty good. And there's obviously some shirts that I'm keeping that, like my Twilight shirts. I'm like, I just gotta keep them. Like, I wonder if there's something, like a little blanket or something I could use. Like make a little Twilight blanket with all my Twilight t-shirts or something, you know? Anyways, I've done pretty good. I'm gonna try to get rid of this zebra chair as well. But I'm pretty proud of myself for some of these clothes. Like, some of these clothes I do really like, you know? I loved the sweater, but it's just time to move on and get rid of this. And honestly, it's driving me crazy because I went on vacation and I left it like this. It's gotta go. I have all these clothes and there's still just some I need to like go through. And I have drawers in my dresser that are completely empty, and I'm like, wow, never thought that would happen. And I did go through some of my drawers and I folded them properly, and I made sure, you know, there's still a drawer that I'm not quite sure what I want to do with it yet. But I feel like that could be a separate video. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. If you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Support the channel, subscribe, and let me know if you guys are decluttering, or what are some of your tips that you guys like to do. Or let me know, are you like me and you like to just keep everything? But you know, I'm trying to be as minimal as possible. I really am. I want to live in a house that has very minimal things. And this room is just the opposite of what I want right now, and it sucks because it's like, oh, my personality, I want to keep everything, you know? But anyways, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.